Today guys, we have cool Discord reward. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, when you open your Discord today like me and move here to discover, move here to quests, you will see wall mode Skyward quest. As you can see, claim a Marty the Hippo pet. Watch the wall mode Skyward cinematic trailer to win a Marty the Hippo pet. All you need to do, just go here start video quest, just click on it and watch this video to end. You will see your progress here is going. Just watch video to end. After watching this trailer, you will see here claim reward, click on it, verify here like me, and you will get a redeem code. As you can see, copy your code, you can redeem in new game. Join Walmart Skyward Java experience, connect to server using IP, GG, and redeem your pet code. If you don't know where to find site, go on these vertical dots and you will see here learn more, click on it. And join here in Discord. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get cool Discord reward Walmart Skyward pet. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.